how to turn on or turn off auto spell check on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or S26 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and tap on General Management. Next, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then tap on Auto Spell Check. From here, tap on the toggle button right next to the language. So tap on it to switch it on or turn off. Here it says that underline misspelled words in red and suggest corrections. Now finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.